Hi, welcome to this wiring rules section I've set up online. It is to help you with your wiring rules AS 3018. One of the things I've found over the years is with apprentices going through their 4-year apprenticeship, they don't look at the book, they only look at it with the current units they use. When it comes to the LET exam, they have no use on how to use the index, main topic points in the book and that as well. So what I've done is I've set it up on how to use a book, done visual faults as well, done wiring rules from each section, and then I've got groups of 20 which cover up to about 200 different regs in the rules. All the answers are there. I strongly recommend to use this. You don't have to learn it all in one day, but use it over the year and just do a couple each fortnight or so. You need to keep consistent on looking at the book. The other thing that's going to happen is you're going to get amendments along the way as well. You'll notice there's a couple of topics there I've made up from a HIA and solar and all that. There's regs there that directly affect you as well. So just don't think that the wiring rules are the only one there as well. We have the SIRs, which are the state-based rules as well. So what I'm saying is make yourself familiar with this book and start using it. The more you use it, the much easier it becomes to use. The thing I see these days is it's like a book that doesn't get used. They think it's there and I can get away with what I learn on the job. You need to be familiar with what things are, what actions that will happen if you don't do things right. Okay? ESV are the ones who license us. If we don't know the rules, come to our LET exam, all right, we will not get passed, okay, and you will not be licensed. All right, well, I hope you enjoy. Give me some feedback if you see me in the electrical section, all right, but at the end of the day, I've tried to make this so that everybody can have good use of it, okay? Thank you.